where the Bush Lightyear shop is. Constellations. There's a bank there. And then just to the left of the shop and the right of the main entrance to the ride. I'll try to show you a bit better. It's a disabled entrance and pass priority card access. Just pardon? Oh, are we going through, are we? And there we go. Stop up into the ride. We just go up the exit. My words today. Freezing, I am. And then we're going to get in a wheelchair car.
Good job, Space Rangers. Exit your Space Cruiser to the right. Good job, Space Rangers. Face forward and sit back in your seat. Your shield will be lowered automatically.
Stoppé. Veuillez rester assis. Votre mission reprendra dans un bref instant.
Attention, Space Rangers. Your space cruisers have been temporarily halted. Please remain seated. Your mission will resume shortly.
Mission accomplished, Space Rangers. It's been an honor serving with you. Share the status card and determine your rank. And don't forget to holster those blasters. Mission accomplie l'objet de l'espace. Ce fut sorti de votre croiseur spatial.
Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Thank you for voting with happy oaks.